all right. Nothing unusual with this. You have a toilet roll holder, but then that's where they mount the holder for the shower head, right? Obviously that is because they have installed a heater over here without thinking about where to place the shower head, because the surrounding area they have already used it for the washing machine on the other side. Of course, there is partitioning caused by the shower curtains. Very unusual practice. Because you're not meant to shower, alright, from that position. You probably will definitely get water into your toilet roll holder. So the toilet roll holder, if you're already showering from that position, shouldn't be holding any toilet rolls. No use. Very fascinating. And my solution